Want to
Hello
do?
guys, we have a ABCD too.
Okay, you wish.
A for apple,
Okay.
B for ball,
Mm-hmm.
C for cat,
Okay.
C for cat.
C for cat.
This is cat.
Hmm.
Yes, this is cat. Look, this is cat.
Okay.
D for drum,
Okay.
E for elephant,
Mm-hmm.
F for fish.
Okay.
This is fish.
Okay. Now what you finding?
G.
Okay.
H. H. H for horse.
H for horse. Okay. Very good.
I for ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Joker, Joker, where are you? Here I am, how did you do? Gabriel, are you? Here I am,
Wow,
how
you
did
found
you
K. Okay.
do? This is K.
Okay.
K for kite.
Okay. That's good.
See? K.
Okay. Now next what you finding? This is what?
L for light.
Okay, very good.
M for monkey.
Mm-hmm. Now what you finding?
N for
Hmm.
N for
I don't know. You tell.
there is no tail.
There is no tell.
What is this?
N. N
Then
for. N for.
Doctor.
Doctor. Oh, nurse. Okay, there is a nurse. Correct, correct.
What is this?
N for nurse.
Vegetable.
Yes.
What is this?
I don't know. Yeah, this is a nurse.
Vegetable,
What?
Papa.
What is this?
Nurse.
Okay.
O for pumpkin.
Hmm.
O for pumpkin.
O for
Pumpkin.
pumpkin.
Yes.
What is this?
Pumpkin.
Can you check it again? What is this? This is orange. This is not pumpkin.
This is orange.
Yes.
P for pencil.
P for pencil. Yes.
Q for green.
Okay.
This is blue color.
Okay.
Q for green.
Okay.
R for rabbit.
Mm-hmm.
R for rabbit.
Rabbit. Okay.
S for Papa. S for
S for sun.
no.
Hmm.
This is sun.
Where? Sun outside. Okay. So
What
what is
did
this?
sign say?
Just check it out. What is big?
Did this? What did this, Papa?
I think this is sheep.
Sheep.
Yes.
This is sheep.
Mm-hmm.
T for bird.
T for tie.
T for tie. U for umbrella.
Okay.
V for van.
Very good.
This is blue color.
Mm-hmm.
This is watermelon.
W for watermelon. Yes, you have to find W.
This one.
Okay. Yes, this is W.
X for xylophone.
Okay, xylophone. Very good. Y for?
Yuck.
Yes, yak.
Z for zebra.
Very good. You did it, Zarish. You did it. Very good. Thank you so much, Zarish.
ABCD done.
Very good.
Now